What's up, guys? In this video today, I'm going to show you how to make $11.42 over and over and over again. Stay tuned. Hey guys, my name is John McNeil, and if this is the very first time you come to my channel, I want to welcome you here. On the channel, we teach you about making money from home and making money with affiliate marketing. So if that interests you, definitely subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon in the right-hand corner of the screen and go and click the notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now guys, in this video today, I'm going to be showing you a method, a strategy that you can actually deploy starting today to make $11.42 over and over. So first, I'm actually going to show you what we're going to be doing, what we're going to be selling. It's going to be super easy, guys, trust me. And then I'm going to show you guys an easy method to go ahead and tap into, just ultra amounts of traffic so that you can sell your product. Let's go and jump right into it. All right, guys, so we're here at the website called Teespring. Now, Teespring is basically a website in which you can actually create all sorts of t-shirts or clothing apparel. And what we're going to be doing is we're actually going to be creating these cool little niche t-shirts because people are just into like cool t-shirts these days. They sell like hotcakes. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be tapping into that humongous market, and we're going to be creating these simple little t-shirts with quotes. And then I'm going to show you an easy way that you can actually sell these t-shirts. So first, let's go and show you how easy it is to actually create a t-shirt. So if you go over to teespring.com, you're going to sign up. It's absolutely free. And you just come down here to where it says start designing. And then it's going to take you to a page in which you can actually pick the apparel that you want to design. So I'm just going to go down here and I'm just going to choose this regular t-shirt. And I'm going to go with the classic tee, and I'm going to say start designing. And then I'm going to say I'm going to sell a t-shirt. And then it just brings you to this platform here where you have the t-shirt. You can actually add an image, you can do text, you can import an image, super easy. You can change the color. So what I want to do first is I want to go ahead and change the color of this. So I'm going to make the color red, and then I'm just going to click done. And then once you have the color that you want, what you want to do is go ahead and put like a quote. So you could actually just go to Google or something like that and look up like lifestyle quotes, or if you're into fitness, you can put fitness quotes or financial quotes, and you can find something online and you can put a quote there, something really cool. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to basically put some text here, and I'm just going to put something here called, I'm just gonna put be better. All right, so that's my quote, and you can basically move this around. You can do whatever you need to do. Of course, you guys probably want to put a lot more time into it in terms of like just figuring out like what you want to put on here and make sure you're positioning it so it looks good. So now that I actually have my t-shirt design, it's red, I got my quote on here called be better. And I wanted to bring your attention to, actually what you can get paid when you sell these t-shirts. Now, you can actually sell these t-shirts from Teespring absolutely free. Like I said, when we actually finish producing the shirt, and we'll actually get a link, and that will actually be able to start marketing that particular link. So when somebody goes to that link, they like the t-shirt, they buy it, we're actually going to make $11.42 in profit. So they sell the t-shirt for about $21.99. So Teespring is going to take their cut, and you are going to profit $11.42 per t-shirt. So again, I'm going to show you guys an easy way to go ahead and start marketing your t-shirt. So again, very, very easy to do. You just sign up for Teespring. You start to design your shirt. You can get a quote from online. You can make up your own quotes. You can add images. You can create images. You can pay somebody on Fiverr to create an image for you. Whatever you want it to do to be creative, you can do that. So now you have your t-shirt. You know that you're going to make $11.42. I can go ahead and click continue from this point. Then it's going to take me to a page where they're going to show me more apparel that I can actually put my quote on. So it kind of gives you some other options that you can actually choose from. I'm going to go ahead and click continue. And then here, this is where you're going to actually put a title. So you're going to put Be Better. And then in your description, you can basically give a description of, what your t-shirt is about. So for this particular t-shirt, I can put something in the description to the effect that, I created this t-shirt and quote because I feel inspired to inspire everybody to be better, whether you are trying to be better at your job or being a better husband or being a better wife or being better at your finances or being a better student. We all need to be better at something. So this is what inspired me to create the t-shirt and create the quote. So you would actually just type whatever you needed to do here in this description, and then you can go ahead and publish the listing. Once you hit publish the listing, it will give you a link, and that's the actual link that you can actually go out and start marketing to people so that they can actually go and buy the shirt. And again, Teespring is doing all of this for you. Basically, all you're going to do is profit your $11.42. Now, how do we actually get traffic to our t-shirt? So there's a couple different ways you can do it. Obviously, you can sign up for Facebook groups and Instagram pages that are in your niche. So if you have a quote that has to do with fitness or something spiritual or something to do with finance, you can go to different Facebook groups and Instagram pages and you can try to, market your t-shirt or something like that, and you can get some traffic that way. But what I would actually really suggest you do is go over to YouTube and just try to find somebody in that niche, somebody that's a popular YouTuber that's in the fitness niche or in, the spirituality niche or whatever the t-shirt is about. You can find somebody on YouTube that may be interested in wearing your shirts, and what you can actually do is purchase them a couple of shirts, send them a couple of shirts, and see if they'll actually wear the shirt, in their video. And you can tell them that you can actually supply shirts for them. You can even ask them what they want on their shirts. Like, they can give you the quotes, you can create it, and then you can buy them a shirt, send them a shirt, have them wear it during their video, and then maybe you guys can go ahead and split the profits. That video influencer can say, hey, if you like this t-shirt that I'm wearing in my video, you guys can get it in the link below. They click on that link, they go to your link that you created through Teespring, they purchase, and then you can actually make money there. And maybe you split some sort of profits with that influencer. And it doesn't have to be like a huge influencer. It can be like, just a person that has influence on YouTube. I mean, there's people that have strong followings that only have like thousands of subscribers. So there's different things that you can do. You don't have to limit yourself and think that there's only one way to promote these t-shirts. So just wanted to kind of give you guys a couple different ways, a couple different ideas that you can do to go ahead and promote the t-shirts. Obviously, you can promote it through all your social media outlets, so that's definitely a way as well. So again, that's just another way that you guys can make some additional money from home, is creating some t-shirts with some cool artwork or some cool quotes, and just start selling this stuff. I mean, it doesn't really cost you anything to get started, so this is just something that you can do, and again, you can make that $11.42 over and over again. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, and if you're looking to make $100 to $200 online with affiliate marketing, there will be a link in the description of my #1 recommended opportunity to make money online. If you're looking again to make $100 to $200 per day online with affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out that link in the description. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.